I am Arpita Patnaik from 6B Vijayams 2. On the auspicious occasion of National Mathematics Day, I am here to deliver a speech on it. The famed mathematician Srinivasa Ramanujan's birth anniversary on 22nd December is celebrated as the National Mathematics Day. In 2012, the Prime Minister Mr. Manmohan Singh declared 22nd December as the National Mathematics Day. Srinivasa Ramanujan was born in 1887 in Erode, Tamil Nadu. He belonged to an Orthodox Iyengar Brahmin family. Ramanujan lived a life that was devoted to mathematics in all its forms. At a fledgling age of 11, Ramanujan began to show the shine of an unfolding genius. British mathematician Godfrey H. Hardy was instrumental in supporting Ramanujan's extraordinary caliber for mathematics. The mathematics wizard made a significant contribution to the Mach theta function that generalizes the Jacobi theta function while preserving their general properties. Although Ramanujan received no formal education, by the age of 12 he had mastered the trigonometry and many theorems on his own without no assistance. He was awarded a scholarship to study at the Government Arts College in Kumbakonam. But he eventually lost it due to his abysmal performance in other subjects. He ran away from home and enrolled himself at the Pachaiyappa's College in Madras. Ramanujan devoted himself solely to mathematics but fared poorly in other subjects. There were hard times in the genius' life as he had no way of supporting himself. Mathematician Ramaswamy Iyer helped him get a position of a clerk at the Madras Port Trust. His breakthrough finally came in 1913 when Ramanujan wrote to Mr. G. H. Hardy, the British mathematician, on realizing Ramanujan's genius, wrote back to him calling him to London. Hardy then got Ramanujan into Trinity College in Cambridge. In 1917, Ramanujan was elected to be a member of London Mathematical Society. In 1918, he also became a Fellow of the Royal Society, becoming the youngest person to achieve the feat. Ramanujan, however, had difficulty acclimatizing in London. The English diet did not suit these orthodox Brahmin eating habits. He was even hospitalized due to ill health in 1970. He returned to India in 1919, but his health deteriorated. He passed away on April 6, 1920. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.
Hello everyone, I am Anupama of class 6 section C, roll number 6 from BJM school to Satyabamapu. Now I am standing before you to tell about a famous mathematician, Srinivasa Ramanujan. Srinivasa Ramanujan was a brilliant mathematician who gets credited even today for his contributions to the field of mathematics.
former Prime Minister of India, Manmohan Singh declared this day as Mathematics Day on February 26, 2012, when he was visiting the Madras University in order to pay tribute to Ramanujan's achievements and celebrated his 125th birthday. Since then, December 22 is celebrated as India's National Mathematics Day. In this day, I want to tell you some quotes. Nature is written in mathematician language. Thank you and have a happy Mathematics Day to all.
A very cheerful morning to one and all present. I am Arpita Pradarshini Patnaik of Standard 7 Section 8 going to recite a poem on the occasion of National Mathematics Day. I hope you all will enjoy. Mathematics is full of fun with so much to learn. Profits are added while losses are subtracted. Degrees are multiplied and percentages divided. Geometry is full of mystery. Algebra has a big history. Integers as different as brothers. Lines are parallel, angles are similar. Math is necessary in life. Without it, it is difficult to survive. Thank you and have a great day ahead.
Mathematics is not about numbers, equations, computations, or algorithms. It is about understanding. A very good morning to one and all present over here. My name is Kaveri Das of Class 7 Section 3. Today I am here to say a few lines about National Mathematics Day in tribute to ancient Indian mathematicians. The Indian government declared 22nd December as the National Mathematics Day. It was declared by our former Prime Minister Manmohan Singh on 26th February 2012 to mark the 125th birthday of mathematics genius Srivana Ramanuja. Ramanuja contributed to the theory of numbers, including pioneering discoveries of the properties of partial functions. There were many mathematicians born in India, and one of them is Brahmagupta. His contribution is known as the greatest contribution in the field of mathematics. Nowadays, people are thinking that men are better than women in the field of mathematics, but it is wrong. The best example of it is Shakuntala Devi. She is known as human computer. The most famous example of her is that once she went ahead to compete with UNIVAC, world's fastest computer, to solve the 23rd root of a 201-digit number, and she won. Indian mathematicians have contributed in the field of mathematics like the concept of zero, seminal contributions to the study of trigonometry, algebra, arithmetic, and negative numbers. And there are great contributions. The only way to learn mathematics is to do mathematics. So my friends, always do mathematics to learn more things in mathematics. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead.
Good evening everyone, I am Sai Basu from class 7 section standing before institution 290 of National Mathematics Day. National Mathematics Day is celebrated on 22 December every year in our country. It is the birthday of Indian mathematician genius Srinivasa Ramanujan. He was born on 22 December 1987. Mathematics Day. For our former president, Prime Minister Manmohan Singh, on 22 February 2012, this day not only marks the birthday anniversary of Ramanujan, but also his contribution in the field of mathematics. The main object is to raise the awareness among people about the important mathematics for the development of our community. This is why Shakuntala Devi once said, without mathematics there is nothing you can do. Everything around you is mathematics. Everything around you is number. Happy National Mathematics Day 2020 to all. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead.
Good
Good afternoon to everyone. This is Jigyansha Rath of Class 8 Section C. Now I am going to deliver a speech on the contributions of Srinivasa Ramanujan towards maths. Srinivasa Ramanujan was born on 22nd December 1887. He was an Indian mathematician who lived during the British rule in India. He made much contributions to mathematical analysis, number theory, infinite series, and continued fractions. He developed his own mathematical research in isolation. In 1903, he secured a scholarship at the University of Madras. In 1911, Ramanujan published his first papers in the Journal of Mathematical Society in India. Ramanujan was known for mock theta functions, Ramanujan's cosine, Ramanujan's sum, Ramanujan's masters theorem, Ramanujan's constant, etc. He became one of the youngest fellows of the Royal Society. He died on 26th April 1920 at the age of 32.
Good evening, my name is Ishita Mahapatra. Today, observing the day National Mathematics Day, I am going to say a few lines on Isaac Newton. Isaac Newton was born in Woolsthorpe, England on January 4, 1643. His father was a farmer. His name was also Isaac Newton. Isaac attended school where he was an adequate student. Isaac grew up mostly alone. For the rest of his life, he would go to work and live alone, focusing on his writing and his studies. An interesting fact, Newton was a scientist, mathematician, and astronomer at the time. Isaac Newton is considered one of the most important scientists in history. Even Albert Einstein said that Isaac Newton was the smartest person that ever lived. During his timeline, Newton developed a theory of gravity, the laws of motion, which became the basis for physics, a type of mathematics called calculus, and made big thoughts in the area of optics, such as the refracting telescope. In end, all I can say that he was one of the most smartest, multi-talented, and beloved mathematician as well as scientist of all time. Thank you.
Shakuntala Devi, also popularly known as human computer. Her work was to simplify the numerical calculations for students. Her talent gave her a place in the Guinness Book of World in 1982. And the recent movie of Vidya Balan was Shakuntala Devi. This movie shows her talent, how she calculated the numbers, how fastly. So now I will talk about the major problem that many students suffer from while doing maths. So that is maths anxiety. Maths is an essential skill that everyone do throughout their life. For example, while we are traveling abroad, spending money, and fitness trainers also use maths to count their calories. So we all people do maths in our everyday life. But unfortunately, there are some students and some adults also who feel stressed, anxious while doing maths. This is called maths anxiety, and I have a solution and how to overcome this problem. That is, you shouldn't think that you are doing maths. You shouldn't think that how tough is maths, the toughness of maths. You should think that you are playing with the numbers. Just change your mindset, then you can do everything. So, do you like to bargain? Do you like the sales while shopping? And do you like to cook? If yes, then can you just guess what's common in these things? maths? Yes, you guessed right, it's maths. Numerical thinking and logical thinking play a great part in our everyday life, and a good understanding in maths, which is very essential for life, and that helps in making sense of numbers, problems that life throws at us. It's almost impossible to get through a day without using math in some way, because our life is full of numbers to handle and problems to solve. Studying the maths provides us with tools to make our life a little bit easier. So never neglect the question of maths, never neglect the problems. Please face the problems. This is a message to everyone in this auspicious day of National Mathematics Day. Thank you.
Dear friends, as you know, December 22nd is celebrated as National Mathematics Day. It is in honor of the birthday of the great mathematician Srinivasa Ramanujan. Srinivasa Ramanujan was an Indian mathematician who lived during British rule in India. He was born on 22nd December 1887. Though he had no formal training in pure mathematics, he made great contributions in the field of number theory. During his short life, Ramanujan compiled nearly 3,900 equations. These works have inspired a vast amount of further research. Thank you. Have a nice day.
No formal education, this genius made great contributions towards mathematics, such as mathematical analysis, infinite series, continuous fractions, and number theory. Impressed from his innovative work, Mr. G.H. Hardy called him to Cambridge. He spent nearly 5 years at Cambridge, where he published his papers on mathematics. In 1960, he was awarded with the Bachelor of Science degree for his work on composite numbers. He was also awarded with the